Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this KitchenAid stand mixer attachment pack from Costco. This pack contains fresh prep slicer shredder, food grinder, and a sausage stuffer kit to go with your food grinder. Let's start with the fresh prep slicer shredder. It comes with 3 quick change blades for slicing and shredding. There's one for slicing, there's one for coarse shredding, and one for medium shredding. Comes with a quick start guide, owner's manual. This set looks absolutely beautiful. Here we have is the medium shredding blade. This is the coarse shredding blade. Now this only comes in white. Inside here we have is the slicing blade. Looks very nice. So it's very easy to change out the blades. Push this handle down and it pops out like this. In this V-tube, we have a 2-in-1 food pusher. One large and one small. Next we have here is the food grinder. Improved design for a quality grind on everything from raw meat to vegetables. Quick start guide. Manual. Here we have is a food pusher. Plastic, removable tray. This is the fine grinding plate. Now here's the grinder unit. If you want to change out this grinding plate, this coarse grinding plate is very easy. Just take off the collar, take off the plate. Now here on the plate we have a small notch. Make sure it goes over this metal pin, just like that, and that's how you change out the grinding plate. And when you're done using this grinder, you must hand wash only. It's not dishwasher safe, so you just take out all the parts like this. Very easy. And this just comes out like that. And make sure you let it dry after washing, and just put back the pieces together when you're done. This is the grind screw, and then the blade just goes on like this. Nice and easy. Voila. Last but not least, the sausage stuffer kit. Manual. Here we have is a retainer. Now here is the larger tube and the small tube. Putting on a tube is very easy. It goes on the grinder. First, we want to remove the collar. Next, the grinding plate. And also the blade as well. Now here is a sausage stuffer plate. Here's the notch. We want to match that with this tab over here. It only can go in one way. Just like that. Next, we want to put the collar over the tube, slide it in, turn this on tight, and that's how it goes on. Very easy.